If you are a wife, a mom, a worker, a content creator, hey, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my daily routine. So, stay where you are and keep watching. Enjoy watching. This is me every morning. I will go and wake up all my kids. Guys, I have teenagers and they are still my kids. So I have to make sure everyone is awake. Now, after I wake them up, usually I go downstairs and my first thing to do when I come downstairs from upstairs, guys, is to open my window. After opening all blinds, now I started making lunch. So it's morning, guys, and they have to go to school. As a mom, I have to make sure everyone get something to eat. So I don't care if I'm doing this for them. I know they are teenagers, as I said before, but hey, come on, they are still my kids and I'm still strong, so I have to do it for them. Now, making everything ready, water, food, everything. Now, my son usually eat before going to school every morning. He likes having cereal, or if he doesn't want a cereal, he can eat banana before going to school. And girls, my daughter, she doesn't like eating in the morning because sometimes she will be like, oh, I have my stomach ache and I don't want to eat. So some reasons, but hey, it's all her choice. Now it's time to start getting ready. Girls, she's still upstairs and getting ready. Well, now she's here. Now it's time for us to start going to school. Before going, we got a call from my husband. He's asking how kids are doing, how is our morning. So that is before we go to school. It's time now to start going. And usually we do prayers before we go to school every morning. It may be on the table as now you are seeing us sitting, or we can do it in the car. What I'm gonna encourage all the parents, please put your kids in God's hands before leaving your house. Please, because there is a lot of things going on everywhere in this world. Guys, pray for them. Pray for them. And the God will keep them. So, now on our way, going to school. We are at school now, but the little one, oh my Lord, she started crying. You know, crying? Like crying. That is the school you are seeing there. After I dropped them, I came back. Of course, I have to make breakfast for myself And for the little one, I love waffles, guys. Waffles is my favorite. I love it. Waffles and bread. Oh my Lord. That is my favorite. In the morning, I love it. So, waffles and some tea and egg. Well, I have enjoyed my breakfast. It was so delicious, guys. Just try one day to make this if you haven't tried waffles and strawberries and whipping cream. You will enjoy it. And this is what I made for the little one. She loves it. Well, back on what we have to do today. So before my kids left the house, I asked them what they want to eat after school. And they choose chicken breast. So I'm gonna fry them. Guys, this menu, well, I was disappointed. Do you know why? I made this with all my heart and I loved doing it. I really like doing it, but some reason I was disappointed at last. Guess what? This menu need egg. It need egg in the meat, guys. I didn't have any egg in the fridge, which made me so disappointed. And then I'm gonna make with potatoes, as you see, peeled, washing, and then cook. Just cook for a couple minutes and no overcooked because we are going to fry them. So after 30 minutes of marinating the meat, now it's time to start frying. Look how the way I fried them. So this was supposed to be like I mix with eggs. After that I put flour. Have you subscribed to my channel or do you watch my video? If not, please do it now, please. So they are here, they are in the car, and for our surprise, the little one was so happy to see them. I wish I should put sound for you guys to hear how she was screaming, talking, laughing. She was so happy to see them. So yeah, we have to ask, of course, how was your school? How was your day? So yeah, is what we were asking now. And back, now we are going back home. Okay, thank you all for watching. I hope you like this video and Please watch my video and I will appreciate you. I will see you in the next one. Bye.